What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be covering price action from today, March 2nd. Um, so, things I want to say about today. For me, it was a no trade day. I also think mechanically it's a very, very good no trade day. I think most people took losses today, avoidable losses at that. I think it was a super easy draw day to where your draw should have been very clear throughout session, pre market, and everything. And a very good day for psych and discipline. Now let's get started. So we start off the day by seeing how we had swept this previous day low, and we actually SMT'd it. Sorry, not swept it. We SMT'd it. So already from this, I want to see we're seeing bullish reaction on pre-market from this low. So I'm already bullish just based on that, how we're just protecting this area on ES with this gap that we were protecting these lows. So it doesn't seem like we're going to these previous week lows and previous day lows um, today. Most likely later this week. But so far, yes, I am just looking for that. I'm looking for bullishness. And adding to that, this new week opening gap, I just want to see it get completely filled. My draw was the new week opening gap. That's mainly why I was so bullish. Not even counting this bullish reaction, how we're reacting so well off this SMT. But yeah, I just wanted to see this NWOG get filled. That's pretty much it. There's not really a lot to say. I had this 1 hour marked out that we were in, just bullet reacting even harder. So just kind of completely confirmed that bullishness for me. Just super, super bullish. So market just rips. And I start getting like, oh, well, like it seems like more of a trend day that we're just not going to be able to long. We create this 5 minute at, I think it's unsponsored. I don't know when we create it. So listen to a word I say. Hey, do you love? We create this 5 minute, unsponsored 5 minute. Then we create that 15 minute that we edge. And I know some people took like shitty longs off of this. Why do I think this is pretty butt? Just mainly due to the RR and lack of gap tap. It's just a simple little gap tap. I wanted us to at least respect, maybe not respect CE, but at least go deep enough to like actually mitigate both imbalances and not just edge this 5 minute, which I had no really like reason why we should be rejecting this gap. That's why I don't like this and the but RR. I think it's a break-even trade, but depending on how you like trade, it's a break-even trade. Okay, then as we're filling this NWOG, I wanted to see mech shorts. So I was like, alright, I want to see these mech shorts. I'm pretty sure this gets SMT'd. But we just don't really get any. I wanna add that a lot of people took a losing mech right here. I think it's mainly due to how we SMT'd the actual NWOG. Why didn't I like this? First of all, I want to see the NWOG get completely mitigated before I identify it as a valid key level. Second of all, that's not a deal breaker. It's not the highest time frame inversion. This is the highest time frame inversion. This 4 minute that doesn't end that doesn't actually get disrespected. So this is just a rule break and an emotional trade. To be fair, that shouldn't have happened. Yeah, I wanted to take that max short, but the 4 minute didn't inverse, so I didn't take it. I wanted this to be valid in the 1 minute, not the 30 seconds, so I didn't take it. Maybe I could have taken it on the eval, but definitely an eval trade regardless. I don't like the structure of it. I don't like how Actually, the structure is beautiful, but I don't like how. I just don't like it. Fucking hate it. Maybe you could have entered at the CISD, I suppose. It's butt. The RR is butt. It's a break-even trade. It's not the worst though. But yes, that's the long. And then the short that Blake took, I think it was off of this SMT right here. Oh, this 30-second. Yep, he entered right here. This is probably gonna be trade of the day in my opinion. And it's honestly just a beautiful trade. Yep. Not really. I don't really have that much to say about it. It's a good trade. Why do I like this? Why am I not bullish here? Because I really have no high time frame bullish targets are fucking whack in my opinion. That buy side that ended up getting hit is just not super high conviction as how overextended we are if we are bullish, and high time frame I'm not even like bullish, I'm honestly bearish. So I really don't see how these targets get hit. However, they do get hit, and we are just now going into that bearishness. But yeah, I just wanted to see that end walk. The high time frame target is just not very not very good. Not very good. It's not like I am expecting us to deliver from end walk, because end walk is a gap, but I like to view it more of a liquidity sweep at key level rather than an actual gap to deliver from like internal to from internal to internal. It would be more of external to internal. So I'm already bearish. So I'm hoping like end walk we go to this internal range to then these external targets, but we just end up sweeping all these external buy side levels. However, that's why our strategy is so good, because even when we're wrong, we're right. So, yeah, I think that is a good little ending point. If you took a trade today, just learn from it, and